Hi everyone, Mitzi here for KB Inside and welcome back to our YouTube channel. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to achieve natural eyebrows. And I think just like me, you're also fond of watching K-drama and you're wondering, why does everyone has the straight natural eyebrow? They look pretty, fresh, and innocent looking. I bet you also want IU's straight brows and Song Hye Kyo's natural eyebrow. Well, you don't have to worry because today, I'm going to show you how to do it. The products that I'll be using are drawing my brow and color my brows from ETUDE House. I start filling in the center going to the edge of my brows. And I don't put a lot of pressure when drawing my brows just to keep it natural. And if you're a beginner, don't be afraid to make mistakes. I mean, it's totally okay if you accidentally go beyond. You don't need to be Leonardo da Vinci in here. Actually, I think you're greater than him because he totally forgot to paint eyebrows. Kidding aside, if you made a mistake, then that's okay. You can always clean it up with a cotton and a toner. You can also use a spoole to help soften the visible dark edges. After it's all set, I'm going to brush my brows just to keep every strand in place using the Color My Brows by ETUDE House. And if you want to look cleaner and all done, then you can put a little bit of concealer, blend it well, brush it off with a loose powder. By the way, this trick is to soften the uneven parts. It gives a more natural look for your eyebrows. And now we're done! I hope you enjoyed this video and thank you so much for watching. See you on our next video. Thank you. Bye!